landed.
What's up, my boys? Welcome to a new video. We are staying in a pretty epic place today and we're gonna show you.
This is Callao Lapa, and this is one of the most unique places on Madeira. These stairs, they go 1.5 kilometers inland, straight up. So that's why we took the boat today. The only way, in our opinion, to come to Callao de Lapa. Because why would you come here? Well, first of all, we're staying in a 300-year-old cave, and this is actually also where they say you have the clearest water on Madeira.
I'm very excited. Maybe I'm gonna go in the water.
The guy who owns this place is actually the same as Nuno's Paradise.
Which is another one of our favorite places here in Madeira.
The most magical paradise possibly in the world, and we've made so many videos there. And ever since we went there for the first time, Nuno actually spoke about this place. This cave, which is 300 years old, has been in the works for 2 years at least.
Yeah, so this entire cave has literally been reconstructed into a little luxury Airbnb, which is insane. I mean, I love how you wanted to make it luxurious, but at the same time, Roberto, who has it, he maintained like the earthy feel with like wooden details and like, you know, not doing too much of a polish finish. I mean, I like that. It's like raw and it's nature. But I also love the details here. Like even this sink has like a slide for the water to go down, so it's easier to do the dishes. I mean, it's like he thought of everything, and it feels like a home. I'm also realizing this place is perfect for people that are like newly in love, because one can stand out here and shower while the other person is enjoying the view. I know this is a cave and it's just an Airbnb and everything, but you do have a massage a massage shower out here. So because you don't have sewer system down here, Roberto has made like an organic toilet. And these are really, really smart. So it's like a compost. So every time you take your business here, it just goes down. It doesn't leave any smell. And here you have the black toilet paper, because once black go down to a black hole, you won't see the toilet paper. It's smart. Can you imagine you're sleeping underneath a mountain? Underneath a mountain with a lot of life, a lot of bugs, a lot of waterfalls, bird nests.
What's up, Lara? Do you want to be on camera? Do you want to be on camera?
Aww.
I love this.
It's so cool, like such a small little detail, but it really makes a big difference.
So because we're in a cave, we need a humidifying system, and this is what drains out all the moist in the air, because it's essentially impossible to maintain this dry, since it is a cliff you're inside. So yeah, it works, and my nose is very sensitive to mold or humid conditions. It's completely normal here, which was my main concern. So Amelie, what are we having for dinner tonight, since we have a fully functional kitchen?
We are gonna have, actually we're gonna use the barbecue, because there is a barbecue or fireplace here for us to cook. So we are gonna have dorada, my favorite fish, and we are gonna have some grilled vegetables, and I'm gonna make us a hollandaise sauce.
Amalie, hvor du hopper hen? Du skal hoppe den her vej ud. Du skal hoppe ud her.
Jeg hopper
Kom nu
selv
i.
i. Jeg hopper selv
Kom nu i.
Jeg hopper selv i.
Kom nu i.
Du ødelægger det for mig.
Here comes a tsunami. The water here in September is so warm.
So it feels warmer to be in the water.
So this is where they say that the water is the clearest on Madeira. And now we are officially the only people left here in Calhau da Lapa. What's up, Terence McKenna?
I'm all sin after my little jump in the ocean, you know.
That was quite the jump, Amalie.
I don't know, I usually don't mind jumping. I don't know what happened, it's just...
What do we got? What do we got? Oh. I thought you brought the playing card so we could play.
Actually I did, and we will. But I'm gonna make food first, no?
Okay.
Or do you wanna wait, all food? What do you wanna...
I haven't
What do
had
you wanna
much.
do?
I have only had the Doritos today.
Yeah, that's what we ate today, that's how healthy we are. Freaking Doritos.
She just told me that this cabal will always go up.
You will solve it, yeah.
How is it interesting then? It's not. There's no challenge.
I mean, the challenge is to make it, because the thing is that very often you find that it cannot happen, but because you know that it always can happen, it will happen. Like, it's difficult, but it can. It's.
But
just the way it is.
no. You said that it always.
Yeah, you can always make it happen.
Okay, but then it's not a normal 7 cabal. Det er en sugekabal, ikke?
Jo, I'm not kidding you.
En sugekabal går ikke altid op, hvad du siger.
Jeg har aldrig oplevet, at den ikke er gået op. Jeg tror ikke, den ikke kan gå op. Slet ikke, når jeg har alle æsser, det er lagt ud, som jeg har nu. Jeg har allerede fået mine æsser.
Skat, du kan ikke sige... Okay, jeg vil gerne have, at du laver 10 spil i streg.
Så kan jeg ikke lave så meget andet i dag. We are lucky enough that you will actually get the barbecue to work. We have these two. One is for the fish and one is for the vegetables.
Spices and stuff. Oops. I think I'm kind of succeeding, to be honest, because white coal means bright. I want to be this like into the wild guy, but like eating this fish, I'm scared of the bones. I think what most people would say, I'm a little trust fund baby.
I think you're just spoiled. But do you know what? I made you your hollandaise, so you shouldn't even whine like the baby you are. You should enjoy your food.
Der var 2 toer.
Ja,
Det så du godt,
jeg så
ikke?
godt, der var 2 toer.
Åh,
Okay.
4 toer.
Nej.
Jo, fordi den ene af de toer, som allerede var en toer, blev lavet om til... Amalie,
Okay.
stop dig selv, okay?
Okay.
Oh, Yahtzee!
Okay.
Yahtzee! Første slag!
Okay, lad os sige
I'm not cheating, I swear to God. Det kan godt være, der ikke er en ridderkopper, men der kan godt komme en stor ridderkopper til dig.
Ja, det
Der
er
kan komme en
dig.
stor ridderkopper til dig.
Nu gider du ikke at spille.
Jeg har vundet.
Du har fået igen.
Jeg har vundet. Jeg har vundet. Men skat, der er ingen grund til at spille videre.
Jo, der er det.
Nej.
Det kan du se, der jeg har lige fået 3 træer.
Ja, prøv at få 5.
Ja, hvis jeg får en træer med, så har jeg også fået Jens.
Okay, jeg har ikke kigget.
Han blev... Oh my god, what are the odds? Seriously? Og jeg har endda filmet det, jeg har det på kamera. Oh my god.
Luck continues tomorrow.
Jon.
Where's the magic mushrooms? Hvad foregår der her, mand? Nej.
I gotta say, guys, waking up here this morning was so magical because we were the only people here. So it's like when we go wild camping, only that we stay in a luxurious place, you know?
I woke up in the middle of the night and we forgot to turn off one light. So I looked up and I didn't know where I was. And then because of the light, just this little soft light, I thought I was outside because it looked like clouds in the cave.
What a story, Mark.
I feel like this is a place where you come without your phone, without our cameras,
there's no
without a
signal.
computer, and then all you do is enjoying. I mean, that's what this place is all about, I think. So I'm gonna go for a swim, I'm gonna read my book, and maybe we can go check out the waterfall.
You can see that this is some of the clearest water on Madeira. It's almost like Porto Santo. Actually the same. We just need the white sand.
I think if you peed in here, Jon, I could see the color of your pee. That's how clear this water is.
Well, I'm certainly not hydrated, so yeah.
You go away. Wow. So literally in the backyard of the grotto, you have this amazing waterfall. It's so pretty. Are you meeting a new friend? This duck is literally showering in the waterfall. It's so cute. I don't don't think that sit-down pedaling is an actual thing. But
It's still It's just sit up paddling. So we got this actually from Roberto, the owner of the Airbnb.
I love supping.
You do?
Yeah, but you don't film on me, just so you know.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Now you don't.
But guys, did you see all those small fishies, schools of fish? It's amazing just how much fish life there is under us right here. And one thing we should have for next time is some paddle feet and some goggles.
Yeah, definitely.
Because
it's so stupid that we don't have it, because the water here is so clear.
I think this is the best water I've seen on Madeira, to be honest.
So warm. It's like Porto Santo water actually.
Yeah. So it's time to leave Callao-Lapa. Callao-Lapa. And I guess this video sums up what this place is really all about. It is extreme tranquility, blue ass water. I could stay here for a week if I had a boat to go back and forth.
I actually think that the best way to describe this is that it's almost like a soul therapy stay for how long you do it. It's like you come here and immediately you unwind. You don't really think about tasks or jobs or whatever you have to do. You just relax completely. It's like I almost forgot that we were supposed to cook yesterday because I was so relaxed.
And if you're interested in the Airbnb, we've linked it below.
It's definitely worth staying in.
Yeah,
I
but
would
it's
say
almost like impossible to book it because everybody wants it.
Yeah.
I think now is the best time to come here, September, October, because you don't see any people here, and that's the way it should be.
But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave it some thumbs up down there. Obrigada por ver o vídeo. Até logo.
Até logo!
Oh, Lego.
Até logo!